Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Your Lifestyle Solutions 360. Today, I'm diving into a fantastic book that could truly transform your life. Intermittent Fasting, a comprehensive guide to health and weight loss by Your Lifestyle Solutions 360. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Now let's jump right in. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is more than just a diet trend. It's a lifestyle that can help you achieve sustainable weight loss and improve your overall health. Your Lifestyle Solutions 360's book is a treasure trove of information on this topic. We break down different methods of IF, like the popular 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 approach, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for the other 2. But what really sets this book apart is how it delves into the science behind IF. You'll learn about the benefits from weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced mental clarity and even longevity. We also cover potential risks and how to start and maintain your IF journey. Plus, we include practical tips and meal planning guidance to make the transition smoother. This isn't just a book, it's your companion to a healthier, more vibrant life. Imagine feeling more energized, focused, and in control of your health. That's the power of intermittent fasting. If you're ready to explore this life-changing lifestyle, I highly recommend grabbing a copy of Intermittent Fasting, a comprehensive guide to health and weight loss. You can find it on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts or questions about intermittent fasting. Please give us a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Until next time, stay healthy and stay awesome. Be nice, be happy, but be you.